Is that the Bloods, man?
It's the FUC.
Where's the Bloods? Show me something.
FUC.
Dave. Video. It's on right now. How much do we have?
What's up? Hang it on.
How long do we have for a video?
Hang on.
No, you get off.
That's funny.
You and jackass.
Fucking asswipe.
Dave, do it.
No, mohawk. Come on over here.
Yeah, do it right
Here,
now.
I'll give you a mohawk.
You want a mohawk? AK right down the middle?
Yeah. Reverse. Oh, hey, come in here. Come here.
Go in there.
Get a haircut.
Give him a backwards one.
Dude, come here.
Okay, let us videotape it.
Go leave the fish tank. Let's see it.
Videotape it. No, turn him this way. We're doing the mohawk.
Hey, hold still, man.
Fucking better be a good ass mohawk.
It's a fucking sweet mohawk. I would date any guy with a good mohawk.
No, that's my hair. Hey, that's my hair, dude. That's my hair. Party on,
Hold
Garth.
on.
Daddy, party
just
on,
carve.
Garth.
Party on, Garth!
Party on, Wayne.
Let's just carve a swear word in your head. Hold still.
No, give me a mohawk. You don't fuck it up.
We won't fuck it up. That's the
Dude, I feel it going across the fucking front. Fuck you. What the fuck? That's not even a mohawk. You fucking... Oh no, that's not even close to
Let's see it. Let's see it. Bend over. Let's see in the light. Oh, you fucking asshole. Oh, fucking fat fucker.
Let's finish it.
No. He did. What the fuck? That's right.
Dude, that's so bad.
You don't fuck my shit up like that.
No, now you just cut all your hair off. It's gonna be good. Take a picture of that.
It's still videotaping.
Seriously, now you can just get.
No.
No, just shave your head off.
No.
Do you want it back?
Fuck.
Just shave all your hair off.
Yeah. No.
And how do you feel about that?
I wasn't very impressed at all.